Installation dash kit for double-din radios. For 2014 and Up Toyota Highlander vehicles. Accommodates ISO double-din mount. Gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Made in USA. Included components, dash kit. Package weight, 0.454 kilograms. Double-din dash kit for select 2014 Up Toyota Highlander vehicles. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances. High-grade ABS plastic construction. Factory match texture style. Top reviews from the United States. Very high quality and precise fit. I've installed numerous aftermarket car stereos and generally have found these kits to be of poor quality, or they only sort of fit and often need modification. Not the case with this one. It's well made and could not be happier with how it looks after installation.